Hello friends, I am Dr. Sandipaa. In my channel Homeopath, I will be uploading videos concerning practical applications of homeopathy. So in this series, I have already done a few videos on this subject. That is case taking I have done, will and understanding and similimum. There are so many videos I have already done, and if you have not seen the videos, please come and see those videos, friends. Today's subject is Baryta carb. So in Materia medica, we usually study all the medicines in their core understanding, and there is a totally different aspect every master look through his eyes, and he will come to a totally different vision how to observe and how to take note of patients so that he will be cured by the similimum what he is requiring. In this way, Baryta carb, as you study about heat and cold, desires, aversions, mental development and his physical development. As you know, Dr. Kent, Dr. Honeyman and all the masters has stressed on single point that totality of the medicine must match the each individual patient. So in Baryta carb, if you see, there is a developmental delay. So a child behaves like an old man and an old man behaves like a child. So this is a common symptom we come across in Baryta carb Materia medica. But very important keynote we must observe and identify is misplacedness. So misplaced emotions, misplaced knowledge, misplaced confidence, misplaced anxiety, misplaced benevolence, misplaced generosity. So if a child is not playing with the same age group of children's, this is something very misplaced. A old man laughing like a child is again a misplaced thing in that person. A student confused about the subject and he is going on asking the question repeatedly because of his confusion, because of not understanding the subject. He is lagging and he is misplaced in the situation requires Baryta carb. Misplaced knowledge. So he has all the knowledge. He has so much of knowledge, but he is unable to apply the knowledge, is again a misplaced identity of the patient. Misplaced anxiety. Wherever a situation, so misplacedness is one of the important key feature of Baryta carb. So Baryta carb patient will be growing beyond his age. If he is young, he performs the old age things. That is, he is not interested in the daily routines. He is not interested in the what the age group people do. And if an old man is interested in the younger generation things, it is also a misplaced thing. And in Baryta carb, another one important feature is the patient bangs again and again his vehicle, because a distance is not being gauged by the patient. He is not taking the control whenever a vehicle comes near him. He goes on banging the opposite vehicle because he lacks the understanding of distance. This is not because of any eyesight problem. It is a major problem in his development, major problem in his brain. Due to that reason, he can't gauge the distance and he goes on bang the vehicle. So this is a very important key feature in Baryta carb: misplacedness, misplaced anxiety, misplaced knowledge, misplaced generosity, misplaced his emotions, misplaced his total life aspects is one of the important feature in this Baryta carb. As you know, Baryta carb is a cancerous miasm medicine. In this medicine, all three miasms, that is psora, psychosis and syphilis, are equally distributed, and the organs affected is all over his body features in the same way. Psoric features are there, psychotic features are there, and syphilitic features are also there in Baryta carb. If you come to the miasmatic background, it is a cancerous miasm. So, if you see the totality of this Baryta carb is one of the important medicine. You must observe this misplacedness in the society, misplacedness in his group, misplacedness in his attitude, misplacedness in his knowledge, misplacedness in his decisions. So this is all totally, if you take note of, you will come to understand this misplacedness is a feature of total Baryta carb. So Baryta carb is one of the important medicine we usually prescribe in our daily practice. But this misplacedness feature is not being totally taken care, or we will not understand. Due to that reason, we will give many other medicines, but unfortunately the patient requires Baryta carb and he is not responding to your other medicines. So this is all about the Baryta carb features I wanted to talk about, friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. If you have any queries, please put in the comment section. If you are interested in any of the subjects regarding homeopathy, please put in the comment section. I'll be doing videos on those subjects also, friends. In this session, I wanted to talk all about Baryta carb, friends. This is all today's session. Thank you and take care.